Hello and welcome to the BayPay Forum's daily news podcast. I'm Lisa, here to bring you the latest in payments and fintech. This episode is proudly sponsored by PayCademy.com, your leading online resource for learning about the payments and fintech industry, anytime, anywhere, with over 220 courses at your fingertips. Let's dive into today's top stories. CEC Bank selects Temenos to improve retail and corporate banking. Romania-based CEC Bank has selected Temenos to improve its retail and corporate core banking payments. Aeon Financial secures SBV approval for full acquisition of PTF. Aeon Financial Service has received approval from the State Bank of Vietnam, SBV, to acquire the entire stake in Post and Telecommunications Finance, PTF, from Cbank. Float Financial secures a $48.8 million investment round. Float Financial has announced a $48.8 million investment round to build a secure and complete business finance solution for customers in Canada. Modular secures confirmation of payee contract for HMRC. UK-based digital payment services provider Modular has signed a contract with Home Revenue and Customs, HMRC, to supply confirmation of payee, COP, services. Brex secures $235 million to accelerate card product growth. Brex, a US-based card and spend management platform for startups and enterprises, has announced the closing of a 2-year $235 million revolving credit facility. Deutsche Bank becomes additional banking partner for Bison. Bison has announced that Deutsche Bank will be integrated into the custody of euro balances as part of Bison's multi-banking strategy. Booking.com partners Antom for improved payment options across Asia. Booking.com has partnered with Antom, a merchant payment and digitalization services provider under Ant International. SurePay and NatWest Group renew their COP. SurePay has announced the renewal of its partnership with NatWest Group to strengthen payment security and upgrade customer protection. Klarna strengthened its global partnership with Stripe. AI-powered global payments network and shopping assistant Klarna has strengthened its partnership with Stripe, allowing customers in more than 25 countries to access its services. FDIC extends deadline for BlackRock oversight. The FDIC has set a 10th of February deadline for BlackRock to resolve regulatory concerns about its investments in FDIC-regulated banks. CFPB files lawsuit against Capital One over interest rate practices. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, has filed a lawsuit against Capital One, N.A., and its parent company, Capital One Financial Corp. 2 Robinhood broker-dealers to pay $45 million for SEC charges. The Securities and Exchange Commission has announced that 2 Robinhood broker-dealers have agreed to pay $45 million to settle a range of SEC charges. CertifID acquires Payments.io to protect real estate transactions. CertifID, a player in wire fraud protection for the real estate industry, has acquired Payments.io, a solution that enables digital money transfers by title companies, law firms, and real estate brokerages. Singapore implements anti-scam law to allow police to control bank accounts. Singapore has announced that it has passed a law providing police with the ability to control an individual's bank account if there is proof of a scam. HashKey obtains in principle approval for VASP license in Dubai. HashKey Group, a regulated digital asset exchange, has announced that HashKey MENA FZE obtained an in principle approval from the Dubai Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, VARA, for its Virtual Asset Service Provider, VASP, license application. Intesa Sanpaolo makes €1 million proprietary Bitcoin trade. Italy-based Intesa Sanpaolo has announced that it proceeded to make a proprietary Bitcoin trade, acquiring €1 million of the digital currency. Sygnum Bank valued at $1 BLN following $58 million funding round. Crypto-focused bank Sygnum has achieved a valuation of $1 billion after raising $58 million in a recent funding round. Tap on Phone startup Clearly raises $6 million seed round. Dutch in-person payment startup Clearly has raised a $6 million seed round to expand into new European markets. Bank of England and NYDFS swap staff with expertise in emerging payments and digital assets. The Bank of England and New York's Department of Financial Services have reached a resource-sharing agreement involving the exchange of senior staff with expertise in emerging payments and digital assets. Nevermind raises $4 million to build PayPal for AI. Nevermind, a startup building payments infrastructure for AI transactions, has raised $4 million in funding. Stablecoins could rival cards, Fed payments expert. Stablecoins are going mainstream and could grow to rival credit and debit cards, predicts a payments expert at the Atlanta Fed. Revolut Storonsky Bank's $350 million windfall from share sales. Revolut founder Nick Storonsky has reaped a $350 million personal windfall from successive share sales at the fast-growing fintech. Klarna looking for buyers for US Pay in 4 loan portfolio. Swedish buy now, pay later, BNPL, provider Klarna is exploring the sale of its US Pay in 4 installment loan portfolio to raise capital for future growth. The bank and HM Treasury are exploring the design phase of a digital pound. The bank and HM Treasury have entered a design phase to develop a more detailed policy and technology framework for a potential digital pound. North Korean hackers stole $659 million in crypto heists in 2024. The US, South Korea, and Japan have issued a joint statement blaming North Korean-backed hacking groups for stealing over $659 million worth of cryptocurrencies in multiple heists in 2024. Klarna in talks to sell US loans, featuring Klarna is in talks with banks about selling a portfolio of US Pay in 4 installment loans ahead of its planned IPO, according to the Financial Times. How integrating payments enhances user engagement, drives revenue. Payment integration is a powerful way to improve the user experience on any software platform by offering benefits that extend far beyond simple transaction processing. Thank you for joining us for today's coverage. Remember, you can delve deeper into any story we discussed today by visiting our news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day, bringing you the critical insights and latest trends across the payments and fintech landscape. Until next time, I'm Lisa, thanking you for watching, and inviting you to join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed, stay ahead.